And off we go.
To those of you sitting on board the raft on the lift, please remain seated with your seatbelts buckled.
We can do that.
That's not us right now.
I think we're the only two people on the attraction anywhere right now, which is amazing.
I can already see where we're gonna get wet.
Yeah, it's coming. The downside of this too is we have gravity not on our side, so you're about to see Mr. DAPS get totally drenched as we spin down the attraction into the rapids. Here it comes. Well, this is just a little leak.
Oh, all right.
Okay, so far so okay. Here comes the rapids. And the rattlesnakes. That one could be a problem. Oh, there's a wolf.
Maybe the trick is not to look?
Oh, is that
I think he was trying to warn us.
maybe. Oh, that's cool.
All right.
That was fun. Oh.
Not too bad so far.
Don't say that! I got a little bit.
Oh,
There's a little more. Oh!
Uh-oh.
That one got me.
Me too. I think you a little more.
That one like went up under my hat. Bear beats Battlestar Galactica.
Oh my.
That one counted.
There's pretty much nothing you can do when like the
No,
wave is just.
You can just see it coming. Like this.
We're not going in the dark. Oh my.
Where's that?
The Yeti.
Is that, what was it?
Bigfoot?
Oh, it was Bigfoot? Okay. I'm showing my Knott's ignorance here. Whoa.